What's up, everyone? Hello or welcome back to my channel. So yes, we've got another unboxing for today, and this one right here is from the Amazon. So I just saw this on one of my inspiration of YouTube, doing YouTube. So what is this called is a suggestion or recommendation for the summer, right? So tech summer. So shout out to you, AVG consumer Junior Aura. So this one is suggested to him, right? So I just saw his video, and then yeah, let's find out. Okay, so this is a protein shaker or juice, right? So it's also part of that tech also, because it's a rechargeable bottle. Okay, let's go gonna have to open this up. Okay, so I just did this in the kitchen. It's because since I am doing something in the kitchen today, so yeah, that is why I have to do this, and before someone gets arrived in the house. Okay, that that is why I have to make it very fast. Okay, so here it goes. So inside is this one. We got the VOLTRX, right? We got the VOLTRX, okay? And also they got a website, so VOLTRX.com, and then they also have Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, and also YouTube. They got some YouTube, okay? So right here is the 24 ounce or 0.7 liter, okay? Protein shaker or juice. So you can also make a juice on this one. You can also, yeah, you can also make some since it is rechargeable, and then also there's a switch on how to use this one. Okay, I already know it's because of the UABG consumer. Yeah, so there it goes. We got the protein shaker or juice shaker. Okay, so you don't have to shake it with a spoon. It's because there is inside of this one, right there you go. Yeah, so let's gonna have to open this up first. Okay, and then I believe this is the yeah, I believe this is the protein shaker. Yeah, there you go. There you have it. So you're just gonna have to put it like that. Okay, we're just gonna have to, and then there you go. We got the charging port, which is also great. It's already a USB-C supported. Okay, USB-C supportive. So, and also they got some right over here with 20. It says 20 ounce, right? Yeah, there you go. Yeah, ounce and ml. Okay, there you go. Yeah, and then this one is gonna be the over here a cup. Okay, so and then you just have to close it just like that. Okay, there you have it. Nice, perfect. And you can also bring this anywhere. Yeah, you can also bring this. So let's go. Gonna have to try it out. Okay, I'm gonna have to try it out. So I'm gonna have to take this first. Okay, gonna have to take this. Okay, gonna have to use that one. Yeah, I think that's gonna be that one. So yeah, it also serves as a cup, right? Yeah, it also serves as a cup. So I'm gonna have to put some cold water in it. Okay, so first I'm gonna have to try it out if this gonna be working, right? So let's gonna have first. I'm gonna have to try it out. It's gonna be working. Oh, there you go. Yeah. Okay, so okay, I'm gonna have to. So okay, it's okay if I don't want to use that one. Okay, so I'm gonna have to put some water in here. Okay, and also gonna have to put some juice in here. Okay. Yeah, okay, gonna have to put some juice. Okay, so I'm gonna have to open this first so that we will see if it's gonna be working. Okay, there you go. Yeah, it's gonna be working. And then let's try to close this one, and then let's try. Yeah, there you go. Nice. Okay, let's how long it's gonna be shake. Okay, until okay, I'm gonna have to take a couple of minutes. Okay, so yeah, there you go. Okay, so let's go. Gonna have to try it out. Okay. So okay, so yeah, there you go. So sorry for my hair. Okay, so let's go. Gonna have to open this up. Okay, there you go. So yeah, the lights. Okay, I don't have lights here. Okay. So okay, there you go. So let's go. Gonna have to share that. Okay. Nice. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, nice and perfect. So I just the angle of the camera, right? So yeah, the phone is because I'm gonna have to get some light. Okay, so yeah, this is a perfect one, and also you can also bring this anywhere. So you can use this as your everyday carry for your work or everyday carry for the summer. Since already summer, right? So you can bring this up. So yeah, just add some cold water in it. Okay, and then there you go. You have a nice you just have a nice juice shaker, electric juice shaker. It is also great. Yeah, it's really impressed. Okay, so it is. I am so impressed of this one. So thanks to you, ABG consumer, that you show me that you show me your video of that one. Yeah, junior aura. Yeah, and then you can still yeah, yeah, you can still shake if you want to, right? So if you are not contented with the taste. Okay, so yeah, so since this one is sugar free, also the drink, and it's also there's no sugar on it. True Loves, okay, this one right here is also, yeah, it's a True Loves Hydrate. Okay, electrolyte drink mix, and also I chose the strawberry lemonade. It's because I really love strawberry. So the electrolyte is 1,422 milligrams. It got some 19 vitamins and minerals and 6 B vitamins. Okay, so this is not a sponsored of True Love's Hydrate. Okay, not a sponsored video, and also this is not a sponsor of the VOLTRX. Okay, I bought this on my own. It's because it was kind of intriguing when when your ABG consumer make a video for this one, right? So yeah, it is a really good, really, really good. Yeah, it's a really good one. So yeah, you just can, you can take this off. You can clean it up. Okay, I think it is a plastic. Okay, it's a plastic one. So let's gonna have to check it out. Okay, there you go. It's a plastic, right? It's a plastic. Yeah, it's a plastic, not blade. Okay, not a blade. Okay, it's a plastic, and it's a really nice, perfect. And also, yeah, do not put it is not a dishwasher. It is not a dishwasher safe. Okay, so it says right here, do not put base in a dishwasher. Do not soak the base in water. Plug the charging port. Plug the charging port waterproof. Plug tightly when flushing the bottle. Yeah, okay, plug. So yeah, this one right here, gonna have to close that one. So since it is the charging port over here. Okay, there you go. Yeah, gonna have to use that. Okay, there you go. Oh, yeah, that's one. Okay, there you go. It's a plastic one, right? So you cannot hold that when it's because plastic. Yeah, sometimes plastic can also be, like that one, right? So yeah, perfect. And also gonna love this one. So gonna love this one also. Yeah, perfect for everyday carry, everyday carry for summer, or everyday carry for your work. If you want to carry something like this one, yeah, into your trip, or you can go anywhere you go. Okay. So let's go gonna have to put it back on. Okay, there you go. And also gonna have to put this, because I put it in the, yeah, there you go. And then it's gonna have to, you want to close that one, yeah, like that. Okay, yeah, perfect. So yeah, but that is not okay. It's because, okay. And then there you go. You've got a juice shaker. Okay. And then gotta love this one also. Yeah, bring this one. Okay, let's go. We're gonna have to use this one. And if you're so sorry, so if you are in gym, and gonna have this one. Okay, and also bring some extra. Okay, so there's some gym out there that they're gonna refill some water. Okay, so this is gonna be awesome. Okay, this is gonna be awesome. Okay, you're just gonna have to, like that one, and stop it. Nice, nice. Okay, that will be good. Okay, also, and this also we got the USB charger. Okay, USB-C. So you can use any USB-C, right? So USB-C charger for your phone, and also USB-C anything, any USB-C. All right. Okay. So I think that's it for this video, and also I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy. And yeah, please don't forget to subscribe, and also click that notification bell so that you will notify of upcoming future videos. Okay, so yeah, this will be a good one. And also, yeah, recommendations for suggestions from the one and only your AVG consumer. Thank you for that wonderful video that some of the tech blogger will inspired of doing that. So yeah, you are one of my inspiration for doing tech blogs. Okay, and just like this one, a tech. Okay, a piece of a tech that you can bring it anywhere. And also, yeah, it's a water bottle. Okay, it's a water bottle shaker. All right. Okay, thank you, and see you again on the next one. Okay.